By clicking Add Customer. Enter name, phone number, balance jar and submit it. By adding all the customers one by one in this way. Make your own list. Now we just have to enter the jar details in customer cards. Clicking on the card's name, then all customers' monthly cards will open. Click on Add Today's Entry, add jar details, balance will come automatic. Like now I enter filling Rohan. Like now we are enter today's entries of Togrish, Altmash, Kamal's. In this way you keep your daily entry so that you are accounting for a jars will work correctly. In this way you keep your daily entry so that you are accounting for a jars will work correctly. Now, let's see how to add drivers. By clicking Add Driver. Enter name, phone number, password and submit it. Your driver will get SMS of login details. Now we will learn how to get monthly and daily reports. On daily report and select date, customer's name or select all. Then click on the download button. Click on Date-wise report, then select dates. From date to date select customer's name. or select all. Then click on the download button. Now let us see monthly and yearly reports. Open the customer's card as I will see the report of Altmash. Click on monthly, then select a year, then you can see the reports. Click on yearly to see yearly reports.